Put the kitty in the elevator first.
Kitty cold.
No, that's like sending the kitty to Wisconsin. No, that's a Utah kitty. The kitty's not used to that. Yeah, let me out. Grandma would know that. It's like putting the kitty in Wisconsin. Get that kitty out of Wisconsin. Bring that kitty back to Utah. Okay. All right, get the kitty. All right, show Grandma the elevator.
Cold.
Show Grandma the elevator. Come on. Get the kitty out and show the elevator.
Kitty get cold.
All right, yeah. Put the other kitty in the elevator.
Kitty get cold.
You guys, put the other kitty in the elevator.
Kitty get cold.
Yeah, the kitty says it's Wisconsin. This is what summer's like.
Wisconsin.
That's right. Yeah, or Grandma and Grandpa. Okay.
Not like in Wisconsin.
All right, let's get that kitty out. Oh no, the other kitty's gonna be in Wisconsin. Oh, the kitty's got Yeah, maybe they don't like Wisconsin. It's cold there. Yeah, let's come back to Utah. Okay, which floor is the kitty gonna go to?
First floor.
First floor? That looks like second floor. Looks like Donovan's on first floor. His kitty. Going up. All right, coming out.
He fell down the second floor.
Oh, I think the kitty's down the basement now. All right. What about your kitty?
Yeah.
What about your kitty, Seamus? He's going back to Wisconsin. Oh, it's so cold, he says. Where's my mommy? Where's my mommy? It's cold in there. Yeah, whatever you guys do, never do that to a live pet. Okay? You can do it with little stuffed guys, but not a live pet. Yeah, that might really hurt somebody. Yeah, look at that.
Going in Wisconsin.
Kitty's going to Wisconsin. Both kitties are going. You know what, actually that's Wisconsin in the summer. This is Wisconsin in the winter down here. Down below. Actually, this is Wisconsin in the summer, and this you guys, this is Wisconsin in the spring and fall and winter. That kitty's gone to Wisconsin in the winter. Both of them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, those are going to be frozen kitties.
You're going to Wisconsin.
Can you get those frozen kitties out of there?
Oh,
Where are those frozen kitties? Yeah, rescue those kitties. Say, calm down, kitty. Calm down, kitty.
Kitty was in Wisconsin.
Yeah, you need to take those kitties back to Utah.
Kitty in Wisconsin. Kitty in Wisconsin.
Oh no, it's cold, they say. Oh, it's so cold. No. Save me.
It's cold. Save me.
Save me. It's cold, Seamus.
It's cold. It's cold.
Yeah, let's go back to Las Vegas. Yeah, better run away with them. Take them back. Warm them up. Go warm them up in the other room. You do that? You take them back? Oh no, those kitties are lost for good now. All right, you guys. Now you got it. Now I don't know if you can get them out. Here. Yeah, Daddy might have to help you. Yeah, see, they're way back there. Here, see, I don't want you guys crawling in here. So here, let Daddy get these. There. All right, that's enough of this. No more Wisconsin. We need to warm them up. Daddy's gonna warm them up. Okay. You're gonna warm yours up. You're gonna warm yours up. You go take them in the other room. Warm them up. Take them back to Nevada. Back to Utah. Go warm them up.